Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Ably Apparel. Ably Apparel specializes in eco-friendly, sustainable, natural fiber clothing. Their clothing is stain, water, and odor resistant, meaning you could spill on it, get it wet, and sweat on it with no real impact on its appearance or smell. Their secret is that Ably uses Filium activated natural fiber, stain resistant clothing. Ably's clothes resist odor and liquids, resulting in clothes that don't really need to be washed as often, saving water and energy, and of course, time. Other waterproof and stain resistant gear is usually thick, heavy, or has a rigid, plasticky feel. Ably's clothes are soft to the touch, and the natural fibers have a much more comfortable, breathable, and functionality use of it. On top of all that, their manufacturing process doesn't use any nanoparticles or chemicals that can break down and leach into your skin or the environment. And most importantly of all, their clothes are super comfortable, which is especially incredible considering the highly functional fabric that they use. Not to mention they have a ton of variety of clothing options to choose from. Ably's Bobby Hoodie is a super cozy hoodie with a high zip collar for extra neck protection on those extra cold days. It has an interior phone pocket and a rubberized headphone grommet, making it the perfect thing to grab as you're walking out the door. And it's made with a super soft, lightweight French terry fabric. The Taurus Pocketless crew neck t-shirt is the perfect core t-shirt that can go with just about anything. It's great for the gym, to use as an undershirt, perfect for travel, or just as a comfortable everyday t-shirt. And their Justin cotton cargo pants have all the durability, not to mention the pockets, as other cargo pants, but with a sophisticated twill weave and standout snap button enclosures. Apart from versatile style, Ably's crown jewel is really in their functionality of the clothing. Their anti-stain, anti-stink, and waterproof technology makes Ably Apparel's clothes great for traveling or camping, plus you can pack less for trips. With Ably Apparel's clothes, perspiration evaporates through the breathable fabric, leaving your clothes smelling fresh, even after a hard workout. And when we say they're quick drying, we mean it. You could dunk a Filium activated shirt in water and it'll still get wet, but it dries up to 40% faster than regular clothing. Their stain resistance extends to wine, coffee, and melting ice cream. Basically, anything you use to worry about ruining your clothes runs off Filium activated fabric. Beyond just looking incredible and being highly comfortable, Ably Apparel's clothes are eco-friendly. And of course, you waste way less water by washing less. If you're looking for stylish and convenient clothes that are effortless, fits really well, and retains its shape, all while keeping you clean and smelling like a bouquet of roses, you should definitely check out Ably Apparel. That's it for our spotlight of Ably Apparel. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. If you are familiar with Ably, let us know. Let's have a conversation. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, do all the YouTube stuff, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.